So here I want to show that tactical blow. My opponent want to win here with a sacrifice. I had better time also. You see this is the position. So you're right. So my opponent now hoping that bishop captures f7, queen captures rook check, and queen coming h5 going for checkmate, but I captured. I took because it is forced. If I don't took, I can be in trouble. So as planned, and queen is coming, so I have nice a6 f6, and maybe it's a draw position. You can try check and check with queen every time, h7 check, and but h7 and h5 both checks, and he make it this. I make a just attack, but I should make bishop move. I missed that again. So again he checkmate here, so rook f7 saving. So now again he is, but now I have the bishop attack the rook. There is no check, so he save it. It's my turn now. Nothing I can challenge. You can take, no problem. I think now I can challenge one of the rooks. Check. No, I think there is no attack. And take it. Take, and my queen is protecting that square. There is nothing, and queen check, and I can survive king f7, king f8, and always I can save it. So I'm in a live stream, guys. So Shadhok Moves channel. So still 4 people watching me. So I'm trying to this position, this opponent Masuti, and yeah, but there is no checkmate. Why he plays this? You want to threaten this? Okay, I can take it now. And check. Oh, no problem. I can capture. Okay, but I can again input this rook. Okay, it's better, I think. Now I want to capture here. But he has this plan now. This plan, where can I go? If I go for checkmate, I can capture. Is it good? Okay, sacrifice something. What will I do without more pieces? I'm sacrificing my bishop here because I want to make some room for my rooks, kings, and give him, and I can get many pawns also. Oh my god, now he is so strong. 1, 2 move. I think I have to push it, otherwise I have nothing to play. Check, and but I thought this checkmate threat, but queen is protecting the, but so I cannot checkmate. So this opponent beat me once, and both are my win piece up game. And first game was queen rook. I cannot checkmate with queen rook because this king got stalemated. Okay, this check. So I don't know any more attack. I can hide here and hope he has no attackers. He can take a bishop easily. And then I think I can pin the knight and go for more attackers, but his queen and rook cannot checkmate me because I have rooks there. Check. I can go here. No, I cannot go here, sorry. You can take this pawn. Oh my god, he is still planning with a queen check. Again he's up, and I can save now. Oh, whose move it is? The time is same. What an attacking game, my god. Okay, his time is now low. He also offered a draw, but I think almost he's one point up, and he without a piece sacrifice he cannot make it. He could make a draw. Okay, I have this only move. Only move. Luke is coming again. No, I think there is no more attack. We can take one pawn. We can take it. I can go survive my king safety for going there, and just I need to equal material. I am better. I'm so better. He's still better, and he can exchange no problem. Okay, attacking. What? Queen is good or not? I can attack the. Oh, I can capture. I can capture it free. Pawn is protecting me. My queen is also protecting everything. More attack. Okay, I think I can hide there, because sometimes my queen king is in the same file, can be attacking. So he is attacking, so I think I can attack here, attack the queen, then I have some plan. Checkmate. Just attacking. I can also go for check. I can hide there. So his time is he's saving everything, every time saving. Now I can attack 3 times, second time maybe. Oh, pawn check. I think okay. My turn. I played queen. Sorry guys. Push. I have to capture. I have no way. Oh, checkmate. I cannot do. Why? Okay. Oh my god. What is going on here? Oh. Check is coming again. The queen is so powerful. Queen rook. Oh shit. Again coming here, but there is no mate. I think now I can go here. Oh my god. Check here. Oh my god, what a tricky he is, my god. Hope there is no mate. Oh shit, more checks. Now he got the draw, hope. He got the draw again. We go here. Oh my god. More checks. Only one king can attack me, like. Oh. I have nice pawns in the center. Oh. Let's try to take capture. He can. Oh. More checks. Oh my god, I got it. I got it at last, equal position, and I got a checkmate. Oh my god, he's 18 seconds. Still want to play one more game.